Hola clase, espero que estén bien. So in this video, I am going to go over an overview of what to expect for this course and what you need to complete in this first week. Please keep in mind that this is only a 5-week course, so we will have an accelerated time frame. We are actually going to be having activities due every Wednesday and every Sunday. So here I'm on our Blackboard site. I clicked on the syllabus and it goes over the syllabus and the course outline. So if you look through our syllabus, it gives you some really important information. Here you have my email. You see here the office hours or the class times is going to be Tuesdays and Thursdays, 10:15 to 12:15. I'll be available during those times to meet. I'll also be going over the class material during those times. It will be via Zoom. So please keep in mind that you can either join me live or you can watch the video I post afterwards, the Zoom link that I post. You can watch that. And either one of those is fine, whichever you choose, but you do have to complete one of those. I also give you here the link. You'll have to click this link and then you'll sign up for our textbook. We're going to be using Connect through McGraw-Hill. When you do sign up, please make sure that you're using your TAMUSA email address, and you can purchase this one right here where it says Connect. It is $64. Okay, so you'll click this link and it shows you I'm the instructor for summer 2021, Spanish 1311. You'll enter your email address, which will be your TAMUSA email, and you'll be prompted to choose this option, which is Connect. And as we continue to go down, you can see how everything is divided up based on the different grades and assignments that we have, different policies, etc. And you'll head down here to our course outline. And then you'll see, like as I mentioned before, we have due dates every Wednesday and every Sunday. So remember, we're trying to fit in about 15 to 16 weeks of work into just 5 weeks. So I have highlighted in different colors the assignments that are going to be due each due date. So the first thing that you have to complete is the intro video on Voicethread and also the Learn Smart for Chapter 1 Connect. So I am going to go over those first two items. And to get to Voicethread, we will go to our course content page. And I have already set up here the Zoom link that you will use to access our live meetings, which is the Tuesdays and Thursdays at 10:15. The password is SPAN1311. And then to access Voicethread, you'll click here, the link that says Voicethread. And we don't have any Voicethreads currently in our class. And I'm not sure that it will even let me do this because I am also using a screen recorder, but let's go ahead. We're going to set it up. So I'll just go ahead and open this in a new tab so that we can see. To create a voice thread, we'll click here, Spanish 1. You'll go to this. This is what it shows like on mine because I have used it in so many different classes. Yours might be blank, right, if you have never used one before. So you'll go to add your own, create new voice thread, add media, and then you'll go here where it says webcam video. And then this is where you will record yourself speaking. You'll say a few things about yourself in the intro video. Tell us your name, where you're from, what's your major, why are you taking this course, what are your plans for the summer, etc. So you can use Spanish and or English when you are creating your voice thread, right? And it has to be a total of 2 minutes. So I'm going to go back here to our course content, and I'm going to go into our folder that's activities due Wednesday, June 9th, and it gives you all the instructions here, right? You introduce yourself to the class. It should be 2 minutes in length. You can use Spanish and or English. I also give you instructions here that go over how to create a voice thread and a voice thread tutorial. The most important thing that you have to remember is that you have to share the video with the class. If you don't share the video, I cannot see it. And I'm going to show you what this looks like here at the end. So there's 3 steps. So the first step is to add the media. The second step is to comment on it, like giving it a title, etc. And this is the last step, share and return to course. And then this will pop up, submit share with the class, right? So please make sure that you complete this last step here, or else you will be the only one who can see it and I won't be able to see it, nor your classmates. Okay, so don't forget that last step, that's here. And then in order to complete the Learn Smart that is also due on Wednesday, you can either click here, which is the Learn Smart, it'll take you to our Connect page, or you can go to our Connect site. So this is what it should look like for you. These are the activities I've assigned so far. So you'll notice that you have some Learn Smart activities and some Tarea activities. Remember, we do have 2 different ones that we're going to be using through Connect. You can also access your textbook here, okay, puntos de partida, and you can go through the entire ebook, whatever you would like to look up. You'll have your menu, where you can go through each different chapter. Each chapter is broken down into several different subsections. So if there's one specific topic that you want to focus on, you can look it up here. Okay, any recorded lectures that I post will be here under recorded lectures. And this is what we have so far. I'm still populating this, but it will be complete by the time that we start our class. Bien. Okay, so here is an example of Learn Smart. So I'm going to go through, we do a preview. So I'm going to preview this module as if I was a student, just so that you can kind of see what is Learn Smart, what are you expected to do. Okay, so in this case, it will give you, it gives you what you're expected to do, right? So you type your answer here, complete the Spanish equivalent for don't mention it, you're welcome in this exchange. Be sure to use proper accents. Okay, so I will put some different options here. So basically you could either say no hay de qué, like this, or like this with the accent mark. And I used this little keyboard that they have provided to put the accent mark in. So let's say I think it is no hay de qué without the accent mark. And then it will also ask you here, how do you feel about this? You have no idea, are you unsure, you think so, or you know it. So I'm going to put that I'm unsure. And it tells me my answer is incorrect. It is the que with the accent mark, right? And it will also kind of give you those little hints. So I'm going to keep on going. So you see how here I have 40 items left. Until I master that topic, it will still tell me that I have 40 items left. So this depends on you and what you know about this topic and that will determine how long it will take you to complete. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the next one. Select the appropriate response to the following question. ¿Cómo está usted? You click the answer you think is right. So I have, es muy inteligente, no soy de Costa Rica, estoy muy bien, o igualmente. So I'm noticing here that the verb is estar, and I only see the verb estar here in this response. So I'm going to go ahead and just pick this one, and I think that that's the right one. It tells me, yes, my answer is correct. Okay, so even if you don't know exactly what the answer is, you can take a guess, right? And also make sure that you are completing it based on what the prompt is asking you. So it says here familiar. So I know that there's 2 different forms. There's familiar and then there's formal. So that usually deals with tú or usted. And I know that the familiar form is the tú form, so I'm not even going to look at anything else. I'm going to put I think so, boom. Here I've got it. So you see that this goes down, the number of items goes down as you are getting them correct. Right? If you get them incorrect, then the number stays the same. So let's see. Write the word that best completes the sentence. Use the toolbar if necessary. Si hoy es viernes, blank es sábado. So if today is Friday, what something is Saturday. So I'm going to say ayer. And I got it wrong. Instead, it is mañana. So you see how that stayed the same. So those are the Learn Smart activities. That's one component. Okay, I'm going to go back to Blackboard. So the Learn Smart activities are one component of your Connect work. The other component will be the tareas. The Learn Smarts are supposed to help you get prepared to complete the tareas. And you'll see that the Learn Smarts are worth 18% and the tareas are worth 40%. The Connect assignments in general are worth almost 60% of your grade. So it is imperative that you sign up for and pay for the Connect access so that you can be successful, right, in this course. So that's the only thing we have coming up right now. So I want you to focus on those things, getting set up for Connect. And completing those activities. I'll be making another video on Tuesday. So please make sure that you use your TAMUSA email. Please make sure that when you are completing your Voicethread, that you are sharing it with the class. Here is the Zoom link. I have all the folders set up. Right now, I just have the activities for the first 2 weeks. So I'm going to put the rest of the activities in before our class begins, but you can go ahead and start working on these things. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Nos vemos pronto.